Hello, this is Tasha from Landpack Machinery Company. Today, I'd like to show you a filling line for collagen solution. And this line is also suitable for filling oil, juice, and so on. Then, let me show you the details of this machine. This is high-speed bottle sorting machine. We can put bottles in here, and the conveyor will convey bottles to sorting station. This sorting mode is customized according to your bottle to ensure match your bottles. The bottles will be neatly arranged with their mouth facing up. Then the conveyor will convey the bottles to the next station. This machine is used for blowing air to remove dust in bottles. Then the conveyor conveys the bottles to the next station. This is full-head filling machine. The filling speed is about 16 to 24 bottles per minute. Then, let's take a look at the machine running. Please send us more inquiries to get more information. Bye-bye.